In this video, I will show you how to turn raw footage into finished videos using Gling AI. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Open Gling AI and upload your videos. You are then going to select Edit with AI. You can see all the files that I've uploaded and my language is English. Select Continue. You can then choose what you would like AI to do with your videos. So I want to cut silences, cut bad takes, remove filler words, add auto zoom, and enhance audio. I don't need subtitles or captions, so I'm going to leave that out. And I would like to add a like and subscribe button. So once you have completed that, select Enhance and Edit. Your video will then start processing. Once your video has finished processing, you can then watch through it and see if there's anything else you would like to change or edit.
So we have just made it to the Smelly Cat Cafe.
If you are happy with the edits, you can then go and export your video in the top right corner. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.